So this is what a district association is all about. Shh. Well, it is for us anyway. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
There's Foggy, the Senegal parrot, with us for this trip. He's just chilling out outside the van. Loves it. That's his little travel cage. He can't wait to come away when we do, because we move him from his large cage in the house and he just jumps in there because he knows he's going to get lots of attention. So, this video is about district associations. What are district associations? That's not a question to you, Sarah. That's a question to you. You might know already. But we've done a video about the pros and cons of motorhome and campervan clubs before. And as part of that, and what we didn't realise until we had already joined these clubs, is that there's an offshoot of these clubs that are like regional. Now, for example, we're at this site today, which is a site in Hertfordshire, Falmere Village Hall. It's beautiful. First nice camping day of the year, I would say, in April.
Just outside Duxford War.
Near Duxford Imperial War Museum.
Yes.
And the reason we're here is because the East Essex, we're based in Essex, East Essex District Association to the Camping and Caravan Club have booked this venue, and as members of the Camping and Caravan Club you can attend. This particular meet is £16 per unit per night, so it doesn't matter how many of you are, there's just one charge per night. We've turned up on the Saturday. The whole meet is from Thursday through to Easter Monday, so it's not a bad price. There's no electrical hookup. You've got to accept that when there's a district association there's not going to be an electrical hookup most of the time. Not always, but most of the time. There are these kind of venues, so it might be a village hall, a school somewhere, a lovely field, some of the farmers' field,
A rugby club.
Could be anything like that.
But
Really
how
good
do
things.
you know about this? You've joined the Camping and Caravan Club.
So you then search for your district association for whatever county you're in. So you might go to Facebook and search for Districts Association Sussex, Districts Association Yorkshire District, and then you'll be able to find that's the Camping and Caravan Club. The Camping and Caravan and Motorhome Club will have their own equivalent. We find these really good value. They're extremely friendly. Tonight we have the use of the village hall, where they're going to have a disco run by the members.
Yeah, they've got bingo first. and then
Bingo.
you've got disco.
They're playing games now, they're playing bowls. We're being antisocial, just drinking fizz in the
And then
sunshine.
tomorrow
But
they've
that
got
is my
some-
birthday.
Yes, it's Wayne's birthday.
Yeah, we don't want to go on about it though. It won't be by the time you see this, so don't worry about it. Don't send me presents or anything. Doesn't matter.
And they've got bacon rolls. haven't
Bacon
they,
rolls
tomorrow?
tomorrow morning. It's really friendly. It's a real nice way as an
And it's
introduction.
volunteer-led, isn't it?
Yes, of course. Yeah, volunteer-led. If you steward at one of these events, what tends to happen is that you will get your pitch fee for free. So you'll stay here for 4 days. You won't have to pay £16 a night. You won't pay anything, but you collect the funds and just show people to their pitch. If you've got 100 watts of solar and maybe a couple of leisure batteries, you'll be fine for 4 days anyway. If you've got lithium, you can just stay off grid forever and just travel around the world. And yeah, these are a really good way to spend your weekends reasonably economically.
Yes. That's
And-
the thing. On a budget, isn't it?
And if you, I would say, especially if you like to be social, if you like your own space, I mean, I tend to find that all campervan and caravan clubs, or sites or anywhere where you can stay is friendly, but these are extra social. But they're quite understanding if you just want to do your own thing. We're going to go to the pub soon, up the road, because it's my birthday, obviously. Not that I was going to mention
And
that.
Wayne's forgot to bring his whiskey, expensive whiskey that Harrison and I bought him. He forgot to bring it, so
I like the
will
fact
be,
it's me that forgot it on my birthday.
I will be treating him to a couple of whiskies.
And I'll make sure they're the most expensive ones in the bar. So But yeah, district associations, that's what they're all about. Look up your local district association
Via the Facebook.
via Facebook.
Yes.
Then they'll have their own website maybe. Get a list of all the sites they're staying at. It's usually between April and kind of October. You could be away nearly every week. And
Fantastic.
some of the sites are amazing. They're not always in the local vicinity. There's a lot of them in Essex because it's the Essex one. You can join any of the district associations meet. So if you
Yes.
want to go with, for our example, Suffolk, Norfolk, Kent, we've been with the Kent District
We went to
Association.
Chicken Stock. We went to a festival last year. We stumbled upon the Kent
Well, that's how we
District
found out about
Association, and this is how we found out about this because it's not advertised when you join the Camping and Caravan Club or the Motorhome and Camping Club or whatever it is. So, this is useful information for people that want to go on a budget, that want
In
to
your opinion, it's
socialise.
useful
This is
information.
my
I'll leave that
opinion.
up to you.
That is up to you. But it is fantastic on a budget. You can please yourself, you can pitch up. As long as your van's equipped for a couple of nights to stay off grid, as in you're not on the hookup. Although saying that,
All you need is one leisure battery, really.
Yeah.
If you've got a motorhome, or you know this anyway, but if you've got a gas, a fridge that can run on gas, you can stay off
Yes.
grid pretty long anyway, even with a small amount of solar or a smallish leisure battery. We've got a compressor fridge. We can only manage 2 days really off grid. I am considering upgrading everything so we can stay off grid permanently. You know that all sites now at the moment, electricity charges have gone up a lot, and some sites are charging separately for electricity.
Yes.
But where they've gone from kind of £25 a couple of years ago to now £40-50 a night for electric hookup sites. So
I think this is going to
way
become
forward,
very popular.
off-grid.
But also, it's not just off grid. There are, with the district associations, because they're growing and growing all the time, it's volunteer led. But if that volunteer is so inclined, they're gaining the contacts from the various campsites. And there's one down in Cornwall, in Porth, that they actually stay at over a 2-week period. What do you call that? And that is a cheaper site, isn't it? Because it's
these
a
are called
district association.
these are THS. These are temporary holiday sites. They run for a few weeks or a month, and you can just come and go as you play, or go and stay at any time you can. But the value is extreme. You're
Yes.
looking about half the price.
Yes.
This particular example, with all the washrooms, shower rooms, electric hookup, £20 a night, and the beach is there, just right in front of you in Cornwall. Now, these are the benefits of joining your district association.
Yes,
I'm sure if you've been a member of the Camping and Caravan Club, you'll already know about this. As usual, we're quite new to all this motorhome and campervan lark, so this is more aimed at beginners. Appreciate you listening to this.
Yes.
If you've got any questions, put them down in the comments below. On the road, if you see us parked up, at the moment we have this eldest CV40. If you see us or recognise us or anything like that, please come over.
Oh yeah, please
Have a beer with
do.
us. Cheers,
Absolute
everyone.
cheers.
Oops. So this is a Sunday early afternoon trip to the pub with the East Essex District Association, and Sarah can't just bear not being in the camera for more than 30 seconds. So what to have today? I think it's a juice rocket would go down nicely. Very useful cooking when you're off grid. It's the CACC Safari Chef with the gas canister underneath. You can get one that also attaches to an external gas connector, or if you've got one on your van, if you're lucky enough to. So the obligatory burgers. are cooking on there. They won't take long at all. Definitely worth considering buying one of these for if you do any off-grid camping of any kind. And often, as can be said as any activity that's done in the UK, you can get days like this. Yep, you're sitting in your campervan, caravan or motorhome and it's hammering down outside on a bank holiday Monday. But you make the most of it. We've had 2 cracking days at this district association and a little bit of rain won't stop us. We're on our way home today anyway. So it's going for a goodbye tea and coffee with the East Essex District Association, and then we say goodbye on Bank Holiday Monday, Easter Monday, to this lovely event. So we've dropped the van off at storage. We're on our way home on this wet, rainy Bank Holiday Monday from a fantastic few days at the East Essex District Association, affiliated with the Camping and Caravan Club. Summing up, basically, if you're a member of the Camping and Caravan Club, you already probably know about district associations. If you're not a member, one of the best benefits of it going. Thank you so much to all the people of the committees that run these events, the stewards that are there to help and organise games and festivities, all these events. You do a great job. I hope in the future we can help out more. So thank you to all you unsung heroes who run these events. So summing up, go onto Facebook, look for your local district association for your county. Sometimes it's split into 2, east and west for each county. Get yourself affiliated with them, but you can join in on any district association meet across the country once you're a member of the Camping and Caravan Club. So if there's a particular place you like, a particular venue, and you think, oh, I don't want to wait a year to come back here again, you can look through the calendar of events and you might find that one of the other district associations is going to be staying at that venue very soon. You can go again. So brilliant, great value for money. Definitely worth joining the Camping and Caravan Club for. We've had a great time. Thank you to the East Essex District Association for a fantastic time. Thanks for all the hard work you put in, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.